is a couple of young lorikeets. They're ready for a feed as well. And then down the bottom here we have a little rainbow lorikeet, little cranky pants, and a couple of dusky lorries. You ready for a feed, are you? Yeah. They're on 3 feeds a day, ready to go into the weaning cage.